Welcome to the product demo of the Logipix Border Surveillance Solution. The following screen capture video presents a rapid insight into image quality and functional capabilities of this product. Logipix Border Surveillance Solution is designed to monitor long border sections and cover the surrounding area for several kilometers in depth. It delivers both high-resolution visible light and thermal panoramic images. It provides automatic object detection, classification, tracking, and geolocalization. Operators can easily verify threatening objects, mark them as targets, and track them automatically. Users receive informative close-ups of these targets in real time, even in low visibility conditions. As a result, they can make quick decisions and take the necessary measures. Now let's outline the essence of the solution and its purpose. Logipix Border Surveillance Solution is basically a complete high-end video surveillance system. Its purpose is to help operators quickly and effectively react to any threat at border areas and precisely guide patrol units or squads on the field. These threats could be military or paramilitary in nature, or could be illegal activities like smuggling, terrorism, and illegal immigration. In order to achieve this purpose, the system covers vast areas in high-resolution panoramic images in the spectrum of visible light and thermal radiation. It uses computer vision technologies for efficient target search within the covered area. It is also able to integrate existing border surveillance systems like radars or long-range PTZs in order to eliminate technological bottlenecks. The following video shows the basic capabilities of the solution. We can see a large area covered by Logipix Panorama, and we can also see different types of objects in the pictures. Our system automatically detects these distant objects, accurately classifies them, and tracks their motion. The system tracks multiple objects at the same time, and it specifies the alarm state of each object. Moreover, it provides information on objects' geoposition and their distance from the camera. But why is it necessary at all to have a high-end panoramic video surveillance system to protect border areas from external threats? There are efficient surveillance technologies specifically developed for border areas, but all of them have their limitations. Advanced radar systems are capable of performing object classification, but with moderate accuracy. Visual verification is also limited and possible only in case of using long-range PTZ cameras. Furthermore, those cameras can track only one object at one time. The Logipix Border Surveillance Solution is able to fill these monitoring gaps, and it also has the capability to bring various technologies together on a single platform and utilize their advantages. Eventually, Logipix provides an advanced visual surveillance solution, and it also makes possible to strengthen different surveillance technologies. Let's have a brief overview on the system architecture. In our solution, we provide a complex sensor cluster that comprises of the dual vision visible and thermal panorama, the visible panorama, and the 3D surveillance radar. The visible light sensors are supported by a laser PTZ illuminator that is controlled automatically to track and light targets at night. We provide an advanced processing unit with AI technology that's responsible for the followings: data-level sensor fusion that realizes aggregated raw data analysis for more accurate detection and tracking. GPS-level sensor fusion, which allows the smart integration of third-party sensors. Intelligent object classification and tracking functions that realize real-time decision-making support. The unit is also responsible for recording video and AI data. Moreover, the solution includes the video and data management software, the command and control center, which is responsible to visualize all the information on a single platform. One of the biggest advantages that Logipix provides is that you get all the critical components of a high-end video monitoring system from a single company. We develop and manufacture all the main components to our solution, including multi-sensor dual vision cameras, single thermal cameras, network video recorders, software and embedded computer vision algorithms. Our high-resolution visible light and thermal cameras together with the NVR form intelligent optical data sensors. They do not just extend human vision, but also provide high-performance analytics on the video content. This feature helps understand what is happening in the entire monitored area in real time. The key component of the border solution is the dual vision panorama camera. The camera is a complex system of built-in visible light and thermal sensors in a massive enclosure. The visible light panorama can monitor an area of 3.2 square kilometers from a single viewpoint. Its 320 megapixel resolution allows automatic human detection from a distance of 3 kilometers. When it comes to night observation or the visibility conditions are very low, the thermal panorama extension still delivers informative images. Maintenance is also fast and effortless thanks to the built-in self-cleaning and de-icing system of the camera. Our panorama cameras cover vast areas. A single 320 megapixel panorama is able to effectively monitor an area of several square kilometers. The size of the effectively covered area always depends on the current surveillance task. In case human detection, the effective area is about 3.2 square kilometers. Using multiple cameras, entire border section can be covered efficiently. It is also important that the Logipix cameras cover the border area in depth too. This way, threats can be detected even kilometers away from the defense line. The camera delivers such high resolution that humans can be detected 3 kilometers away automatically. The solution provides a so-called dual vision panoramic view of the border area. We produce visible light cameras for high-resolution surveillance at daytime, and also thermal cameras for surveillance in low visibility conditions. Thermal cameras can see and detect objects even in pitch darkness or in foggy and hazy weather conditions. This way we are able to utilize a broader range of spectrum for visual surveillance. Fusing these technologies together, we are able to blend the information of thermal images with the information of the high-resolution visible light images. For example, in case the thermal camera sees something at night but the visible light camera does not, the system is able to virtually map the object on the visible light images. But the visual coverage is just the first step. The system is an important tool to understand what is happening in the monitored area. What types of objects are moving, what is their past history and where are they heading? To provide all this information, Logipix uses specifically developed video content analysis algorithms and AI technology, wherewith the system is able to detect, classify and track several thousands of objects at the same time. For object detection, we have developed an intelligent VCA function which continuously adapts to the environment. It can accurately differentiate the forms of the terrain and the vegetation from newly appearing objects. Automatic detection is important as the human eye may miss out objects that are moving in the distance. Operators cannot overview the entire full-size images continually, but the embedded algorithms can. Utilizing the capabilities of the computer vision, nothing critical is missed out in the monitored area. The algorithm is able to accurately detect slow-moving humans in 3 kilometers away from the viewpoint. But accurately detecting every moving object is far from enough for effective operation. In natural environment, usually a lot of animals are moving, which are irrelevant in terms of surveillance. Our algorithms are able to precisely classify the detected objects and alert the operators only when potential threats are on the screen. The Logipix video content analysis classifies animals, humans, heavy or light vehicles, vessels and boats. Operators can use the high-resolution panoramic images for target verification. Friendly human or vehicle objects can be ignored as well. Logipix VCA is able to track the motion of thousands of objects at the same time. It also records where the objects have come from. Based on their calculated motion vector and measured speed, the system can also predict their future position. This prediction is more accurate for vehicles and ships as the motion vectors of human objects can change in a glance. In order to respond to threats effectively, the exact positions of objects must be known, beside tracking them. The monitored area can be mapped with GPS coordinates, which means the system knows the GPS coordinate of each pixel and it projects the GPS map onto the surface of the monitored area. This way, operators can effectively guide patrol units or guards to the spot of interest. Beside high-resolution visual representation of reality, Logipix provides information of the moving objects on an interactive map and in an object list as well. The map visualizes the tracked objects as moving icons. The list contains detailed information on object type, real-time position and many more. Operators can select objects on the map and also in the list to show immediate zoom images of them. Logipix Border Surveillance Solution is able to integrate third-party surveillance components. This way the solution can eliminate monitoring gaps and it can strengthen different surveillance technologies. The system can integrate third-party surveillance radars, long-range and thermal PTZ cameras and perimeter intrusion detection systems. Logipix ensures the full manual or automatic control of the integrated PTZ cameras. These devices can perform as effective surveillance sensors if they are installed on strategical spots. Surveillance radars are important components of border security. Logipix is able to integrate mid-range or long-range radars and merge their data with the visual information of Logipix cameras. In case a perimeter intrusion detection system operates on the field, Logipix can receive its signals and use them to trigger automatic zoom functions on cameras. Now let's watch a video about the front-end interface that operators see during daytime surveillance. The main interface is customizable, but it always contains the following modules. Operators can see the overview panoramic image. In this current case, a single zoom window is configured on the interface. Below, the interactive map appears with the detected objects showing their real-time positions. Beside, the object list displays all the detected objects with color indications according to their states. On the left-hand side, the control section takes place. Now let's see how operators can use automatic target tracking functions. The detected objects are framed in the panoramic image. The selected one appears in the zoom window, and the function smoothly pans the view, keeping the moving objects in center. In this particular case, the operator set animal detection on to have multiple tracked objects on the screen. Operators can select objects on the overview panoramic image by clicking on their frames. Objects can be selected also on the interactive map. Once the object is selected, the zoom window tracks its motion seamlessly. There is opportunity to set the zoom window to always change and track the latest potential target that appears on the screen. Operators can also select objects from the object list. The object list contains detailed information, for instance about objects' real-time geoposition, current speed, distance, and also about their classified type and defined state. Objects in the list are color indicated in order to accelerate selection. Archive search is object-based in the software. Selecting a gun state object triggers the object's archive footage. The overview image, the zoom window, and the map changes to archive mode. Object details in the list also changes to historical mode, but only on the selected object. Operators can use the module just as if they were using it in live mode. They can zoom in on the panoramic image using the zoom window. They can also use the standard media control panel to control the scene just as the investigation procedure requires. In summary, our solution is a fusion of technologies with the intention to eliminate the limitations of different types of surveillance sensors. It monitors long border areas using multiple types of sensors. The solution provides specially developed visible, thermal, and radar sensors. It applies fuse video content analysis and radar data analysis to better understand what is happening on the border area. It automatically tracks and localizes all moving objects and filters for potential threats. It visualizes the outcomes of the analysis and blends graphical elements real-time into the live video stream and on the interactive map. It helps decision-making and effectively supports missions on the border area. Logipix Ltd is a privately held company, established 25 years ago in Budapest, Hungary. Since then, Logipix has grown into an international company with representations in Dubai, Moscow, New Delhi, Turkey, and the US. We are an innovative technological company, developing and manufacturing intelligent video monitoring solutions specifically for large-scale projects and wide areas. In the following, you will have a brief overview on our main solutions. Critical infrastructure video surveillance solution. The solution efficiently protects critical infrastructure sites, such as power plants, oil refineries, ports, and other industrial facilities from perimeter intrusions and internal threats. Logipix intelligent video content analysis and real-time decision-making support ensure a safer environment and smooth infrastructure operation. They help minimize false alarm rates and also increases situational awareness. Logipix Airside Augmented Reality Solution. The LARS brings extended vision and computer-based intelligence into airside monitoring. It provides improved control over the ground operations and also assists to prevent minor and major incidents. The solution delivers the best-in-class panoramic video monitoring aided by advanced computer vision technologies. Utilizing the Logipix VCA functions, customers earn accurate object tracking, immediate alerts of violations and possible incidents. Furthermore, automatic calculations of aircraft ground operation times. Traffic Violation Detection Solution. Logipix Traffic Violation Detection Solution is a complete custom-sized system that automatically detects all the common types of traffic violations in cities, on highways, and at other traffic areas. The solution operates with high accuracy even in the densest traffic environments. It covers the entire workflow and performs its task automatically from violation detection and vehicle data collection to compiling detailed violation reports which can be used by local authorities. Safe and Smart City Solution. Logipix technologies help cities achieve a more sustainable and livable environment. The solution provides automatic traffic violation detection functions and also surveils large public areas, streets and roads. With the smart solution of Logipix, cities can progress and ensure the safety of their traffic and the security of people, even in the densest urban environments. Stadium Video Surveillance Solution. Logipix ensures safer environment in stadiums. The solution increases security operational awareness by covering the entire seating area with high-resolution panoramic images, wherein every individual is recognizable. It helps operators react quickly to suspicious situations, prevent or defuse outbursts, and efficiently investigate prior incidents. Thank you for your attention. For further information, visit our website or feel free to contact us.